Welcome everyone again to our channel Venus FX, and I hope you are enjoying our content, and also I hope that you are doing very well in your trading as well. Today our topic is TradingView, how you can master TradingView and how you can analyze the chart using TradingView instead of MetaTrader 4, because I have been seeing that a lot lately, that most of the traders who use MetaTrader 4 or 5 charts to analyze their charts are sometimes wrong, because there are different brokers quoting their own prices in their charts. Sometimes because there's a difference in dealing and no dealing desk brokers. But let's get straight to our topic, TradingView. In TradingView, it is very simple, it is very easy to use TradingView, and also one of the most good benefit of TradingView is that you can access your analysis, you can access your drawings to anywhere else as well, because you guys can sign up in this platform, and after you sign up, your login details are saved in your mind. So wherever you are, you can access your charts, you can access your history of analysis and everything related to that. So first of all, our main thing is how we gonna register in this platform. You'll see two types of toolbars here, as you can see: join for free and sign in. So I have already signed in, but if you simply click join for free, this pop-up will come. You can sign up using Facebook, your Yahoo account, Google, Twitter, or simply by using email addresses. So it is very simple. If you click on Facebook, it will be redirected to your Facebook profile, and also your account will be made. But as you know, our account is already made, so we just need to log in, and here we go. This is our profile, which will be shown to everyone, because this main page is same to every new visitor who visit TradingView. Now let's get straight to our point and our charts. And also I'm going to share with you which trading chart or which trading template we use for our analysis, because it is very important for us to share with you that what we are using in order to analyze the chart. Okay, so when you will open this charts, you will see this kind of screen come up. So if you have been trading for a while, you can easily know that this is the chart. And also as we know, there are various types of candles: hollow candles, Hikinashi, bars, line, area, baseline, everything. So first I will go through this, then I'll go to the left side, and then I'll go to the right side. Okay, so if you click here, you can easily search for any of the following: Forex pair, stock pair, CFD, cryptocurrency index, or anything. Okay, and after that there is a time frame bar, so you can select whichever time frame you're gonna use. Third is the candle, which opening and closing price method you would like to see, and I prefer candlesticks, because these are my favorite. Okay, there you can compare different symbol with different charts. Let's suppose this is DAX chart, so I can compare gold with this. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so from there, if you click on that indicator and strategies bar, it will show up different whole bunch of thousands of indicators, I guess, but we don't use indicators, so who cares anyway. Here you can add alert. And actually the alert system is that whenever, because obviously you cannot like watch the chart whole day 24 hours, so you can just do what it is that you can simply set it up an alert of a price. So whenever the price will break or cross the specific zone, it will simply gonna notify you, so you can check your and open your chart. And also this is a very one more good thing, that always remember that whenever you draw anything or whenever you are done drawing all of the things, you simply left click on that, so it can save your settings. So wherever you access your chart, they are already saved. From there you can go to this full screen mode, which I guess the recordings is are cropped, so it will all it is already like in full screen mode. And from there you can take a snapshot or screenshot. If you click on this, you can simply save image. If you click left on that, so it will save your screenshot wherever the chart are. From there, if you click here, you can see there are various types of trend lines, triangles, and each and everything. If you click on the second one, you can see Fibonacci retracement and all. If you click on this, you can see all of the text. If you want to add text to your chart, you can do that. If you are pattern trader, different kind of pattern are involved in this, you can see bat pattern, triangle, head and shoulders and all, so you can get an access to all of this. And if you click on these horizontal lines, this window will come up where it will be showing your watch list. Now what watch list is that, whichever pair you are following, you can simply add the specific pair. Let's say you are following Euro USD, so you can add Euro USD to your watch list, so you can, whenever you open the TradingView platform, you simply go to the watch list and select that specific pair, so it will automatically get opened. Okay, this is the alerts you have set it, and this is data window, where what is going on the chart. You already know, if you're a trader, that what a data window is. And also these are chats. I'm sorry, yeah. Okay, so okay, now let's come to the point that which settings we and why use for our trading analysis. So first of all, I use dark theme. Why? Because I cannot, it is very harmful for us to watching the white chart or the white screen for very long time, because sometime I day trade, but anyway we have to look on the charts long hours. So it is better if you do the color theme as dark. So how you can do that is simply right clicking on the chart, and this window will come up, and you can simply go to the color theme and select dark. Hey, now okay, it is done. All right, now the second thing I'm going to edit is these grid line which is appearing on the chart, because we are naked chart trader, and I preferably like to see the chart very clean and clear, so I can spot where are the zones and patterns and different tools I use for my trading is appearing. So I'll simply go to the settings, and One second. I'll go to appearance and I will simply turn zero their opacity, these vertical and horizontal grid line. So if you will click OK, so you will see this clean chart. Now you can do anything very clearly and you can draw anything very clearly. Now don't forget to save that, so it remains the same whenever you come up again. Okay, and now one very best tool or very best thing I like about TradingView is that we can favorite our drawing tools. You see, I have favorited first of all the trend lines. I have favorited the horizontal line. Which I use for in order to draw any horizontal drawing. And I have favorited the brush tool. I have favorited the Fibonacci. And I have favorited the trade long and short position. Okay, how we can do that? Whichever drawing tool you use most, you can simply go to that and click on this arrow, a small arrow, and you can simply favorite them. Okay, let's say I want to favorite this vertical line, so I just simply go over there and will left click or select that favorite, and you see it already appeared here. Here we go. It is very simple. Now let's say you have drawn all your trading tools or drawing tools which you're going to follow in the upcoming time. So what you simply need to do is save all of the settings, and now guess what, wherever you will log in, it will show the same drawings. There is no way that you can lose these until you delete them by yourself or you forgot your TradingView account. So this was today's video so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. I always try myself to deliver as much deeper content as I can, because that's why I'm here, that I want to make this trading community or trading learners a better trader, better learners. And this video is for both of you, the one who are taking personal training or personal mentorship from me, and also who are our general viewers on YouTube or who came from any other social media platform of us. So this video is for both of the students and also the general viewers who are learning from our all of the content we post on our social media as well. So if you like that video, gives it a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you may not miss any upcoming educational content which can take you to the next level. Okay, I hope you did that. All right. And by the way, I have started for the very last time, I have started giving people personal mentorship or one-on-one mentorship. So if you are looking for training or one-on-one support, you can simply directly text me on one of our social media platform, Telegram, and one of our team member will straightly guide you towards me, so you can get personal training one-on-one from me as well. Our our Telegram username is and also I will leave that username into the description so you can access, or you can simply contact us there. Okay, so just leave a text and one of our team member will let you the details that how you can get the one-on-one mentorship from me. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.